professional chef, but I love cooking. But cooking is not my profession. But what I know, I try to share with you. So today I'm going to make something new video for me, yes, and for you, for everyone about the anda bhurji. So this is my special. It's my own recipe. I'm not followed to other person like this, but I just try to what I know. This is the Nepalese styles around my own style. Just let's try to make the new anda bhurji. Please put little oil. Then I'm taking the red onion for the. I'll cut this one chop side. So you can make in fine chop, because chop is good for anda bhurji. So I take the little butter for this the anda bhurji. So I put this little butter here. Before to melting this little butter, I'll put my chopped onion here. Push that. Then you can add this is the garlic. I already fine chop. This one I'll add. This is my recipe. That's why I'm adding garlic shape also. Then the ginger. I'll cut little ginger and I'll make the fine chop. Okay. Now I'm mixing this one. It will take minimum 1 to 5 minutes. That time I'll use my time. Then I'll cut my onion, tomato in the fine chop shape. थोड़ा ज़्यादा नहीं, because if I use this chopped tomato, easy for melting, then cook for this good work. Okay, stop. थोड़ा अभी इधर भी देखेंगे थोड़ा. Stop. Chili for you. Okay. For you. Yes. Yeah. Now it's ready. Still not ready, but I just cook this one minimum 2 minutes, because I need this all the tomato and this onion need be soft in the cooked oil. So that time I'll use for the eggs. For me, before the broken egg, I'll add 2 teaspoons salt for this one. 2 teaspoons. Then turmeric powder. Then I'll use this chili powder. As you like, how much you want spicy, you can use. Then mix it very well. Then leave for cooked. Then go. कितना का बनाओ? 8. हाँ? I'll take 4 eggs per here. Then you can add little salt for this going mixing very oil. So both come just okay. Then mixing very well. If you have the whisk, you can take, but I don't have. That's why I take my this fork. So mixing good. Now my all the ingredients is ready. Now I'm going to mix my eggs here. Then you should reduce your temperature below the 60 degree, so you can cook very well. Then mix slowly until it will not be well done. ready. So I'll take this one until for well done. Now you can increase your cooking temperature up to 60 degree. After 60 degree, you can make your under egg in the well done. Now my egg bhurji is ready. So now I'm going to add the little some coriander, chopped coriander. Your coriander very well and nicely. Now my egg bhurji is ready. Now time to serve. Anda bhurji is ready. This is for you. Keep watching. If you like my video, then